Hello and welcome back. Now this is not an ordinary video I normally do, because it has nothing really to do with cars this time. And the reason I'm doing this video is because of the new YouTube policy that they've just recently came out with. Now for the smaller YouTube groups like my channel and many other channels, if you do not have at least 1,000 subscribers, well, you'll no longer be part of their YouTube creator program and just go back to a basic YouTube channel. Now that does mean we get to keep all our videos and everything on there, but many of the perks are gone. Obviously the big one is monetization, but then there's some other tools that we use that we'll no longer have access to. And the biggest blow to this is it just discourages people, pulls them away from YouTube, and just makes the whole community just a little bit more empty. Now, I'm going to keep trying to do videos because I know a lot of you enjoy watching my videos. And for those who have stayed subscribed since the beginning and early on, I appreciate all your views and staying subscribed to this channel. I really do. And I'm not one of the YouTubers looking out here to go out and make $1 million. Don't get me wrong, we'd all love that. I do enjoy making the videos. I enjoy working on vehicles. And I enjoy helping a lot of you out. And the perk to that is monetization and getting paid a little bit for it. And honestly, I don't get that much at all. But when you lose that after you've worked so hard to get it, it discourages you. And I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to keep trying to make videos. And as most of you know, that throughout most of my videos, early on I asked for subscribers at the end. I really don't like asking that because I don't want to seem like these other YouTubers. But this time, this video, I'm going to ask, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Let's build up the channel a little bit more. Because honestly, I can't build up the channel by myself. It's all you guys and girls. It's all of y'all watching. And y'all watch. It shows. One of the things is, I believe they said that you need at least 4,000 watch time minutes in a year. Well, we're at like 40,000 for several months, so it's there. It's just the subscribers. So if y'all can help me out and subscribe, and get other people to subscribe, share my channel, I would appreciate it. Because like I said, I'm going to keep doing this, and I want the channel to grow, and I'd like to keep some of my YouTube partner perks that I get. And I'd also, I said, just want the channel to grow and give you more content, more things to watch, try more products to help you save money. Because if I try them and they fail, they probably know that the product's no good. If I get a product and it's just junk out of the box, you'll know before you have to spend money. And like the heater box, we found out that it's a very tight fitment in a truck, and that is something many of y'all may not want to deal with, and you'd rather see it here first and see how it fits before you go out and order one and spend $150 on a heater and then it not fit like you want it. So, like I said, I like to keep doing these videos for you, and I'm going to keep trying. It is a bit discouraging, but I'm going to keep doing it and keep bringing you content. And like I said, I appreciate all the views. I appreciate everybody that subscribes. And if I helped you out, I'm glad I helped you out, because that's one thing that if anyone knows me in person, I like to help people out who have trouble with their vehicles, and I do it a lot locally. Some of my videos, you see me working on different vehicles because I literally load up my tools and I'll drive somewhere and go help someone on their vehicles. I have no issue doing that. I've done it for years, and just filming it and helping you guys out with it is just a bonus. I like doing it, and I want to keep doing it. So if you would, go ahead and subscribe, share my channel. I hate asking for that, but with the way YouTube's policy is changing, I have to this one time. And now I know they said they do it because to try to, well, see, something about make sure everyone's in the guidelines and all that, and I think that has to do with the 2 recent YouTubers that had done some things wrong. But in reality, Those two YouTubers had a ton of subscribers. So what this policy does, I don't think it eliminates it. I think that's just about money this time. Try not to pay the smaller YouTube channels. So that's it for that. It's a little bit of a rant, sorry. But like I said, I appreciate all of you. And I'll try to keep up more content for all of y'all to watch. And as always, thanks for watching.